Instructions tab has 11 steps. Steps to create and optimize title, meta description, heading, outlines, questions, and URL. First step is to create and optimize the title. Create a title using the highest frequency keywords suggested by Outranking. If you hover over these keywords, you will see the number of times these keywords have been repeated, and if you use them in the tab, the box will turn green indicating usage. To see title ideas from ranking pages, click on the blue See Title Ideas button. The next step is to optimize titles with related keywords data. Here, Outranking, after analyzing top ranking pages, comes up with suggestions to include related keywords in all the important tags. If you hover over these keywords, you will see the search volume, and if you use them in the tab, the box will turn green indicating usage. Once all the creation and optimization requirements are met, the box will show a green check. Use similar techniques and go through all the steps of content creation and optimization. A perfect score requires all conditions to be met, but we understand sometimes that might not be possible. Aim for the best and a higher score than your competitions. Follow all 11 steps to create and optimize content and see your score climb up. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.